Hello, I'm Steve Jackson, sales rep and technician with Imprintables Warehouse. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about an amazing product that we carry called Seramark. It's a wall graphic material that's a polyester woven fiber that changes the way that wall graphics are done. Typically with a wall graphic, you've always seen them with a cut line around the outside so that it doesn't curl in. Seramark is a product that's made of a polyester woven fiber and doesn't require any bleed zone around the edge. You see I've got these candy canes here and it's right around the edge of it. Another amazing part about this material is that it can be applied to any number of surfaces. I can apply it to a wall, I can apply it to glass, I can put it on a car, I can put it on stainless steel, you can put it on virtually anything. It removes cleanly, doesn't leave a residue, and can be reapplied over 100 times. In fact, I've even taken it here and I've got a piece of Seramark that I laminated with a dry erase laminate. So I've got Seramark Wall Graphic material plus dry erase laminate, and now I have a whiteboard that I could put up anywhere. Think of the possibilities of this, being able to print on this product, have a menu board or maybe something for your kids, a calendar to track something with, like this calendar here, where we've got a countdown to Christmas for the kids, and now they can mark it off on this. You can put it up on a wall, you can put it in their bedroom, you can put it virtually anywhere, and when it's all done, you just remove it cleanly with no residue, or you could reapply it in a different position. I'm going to go ahead and enlist the help of some of Santa's helpers, and we're going to go put up a piece of Seramark and show you just how easy it is. Let's check it out. So we're in a little bit more of a festive mood now. I've gotten the graphic printed, cut, and weeded. We've set it up on the wall where we want it to be placed at. I've put a couple pieces of tape to hold it in there. I've got the necessary tools for the job, some tape to use for my hinge, a cutter. You can use either this or you can use a straight blade cutter. I like the ones that work with envelopes so I don't mistake and mess up the graphic, and a squeegee. This material you can actually squeegee with your hand. We're going to do both types while we're showing it in the video. So I'll get some of Santa's other helpers out here, and we're going to apply a hinge across the middle of it. We can move the graphic where it's at until they get the proper placement of it. Once we've got it in place, just secure the tape. Put another piece here. It looks like it's a little thin. We'll take our tape down from up above. And peel the graphic off of the backing. You can actually just let that lay down on itself. You want to try to avoid having the adhesive side go to the front because it's a little harder to remove, but it's okay if it does touch it. Jess is going to use the cutter here. And I think we have another helper coming in to help apply the rest of it. And they'll use a combination of squeegees, their hand, however to apply this to the wall. The great thing about Seramark is it's a repositionable graphic. If you make a mistake, just pull it back. You don't have to worry about residue. You don't have to worry about it damaging the surface. It can be applied onto a wall such as this, a painted surface. It could be put onto a window. It could be put onto virtually any surface you think of. We have some customers that use it as temporary graphics on a vehicle. It doesn't leave a residue. It's going to stay on where it's put, and you can remove it when you need it. You can see they've got the top half almost done here on the tree. Once they're done with the top half, we'll just simply remove the hinge that we had in the center, and we'll work the graphic down from the center until it's completely on. All set? What what she's doing here is she's running the graphic from the top there. She'll peel it down as they apply the graphic down into it. It's going to make it a lot easier for application. You want to keep it at about a 45-degree angle away from the wall there. Once you get in the center, and I'll help with the material here. And you can take the squeegee, run it across. You can see I made a mistake there. That's all right. This material, like I said, you just pull it right back up. Pull it back into position and reapply. Nice and smooth. Any type of graphic like this, you'll want to work from the center out. And anywhere you've made a mistake, I made another fold over there, you can simply pull it back up and reapply it down. So we can actually take this backing almost all the way down, get our center set, and apply from there. Maybe Michelle will grab a couple of the ornaments that are over here while we're finishing up. And she can actually start decorating the tree for us. Now these ornaments, they could be already colored in, printed, or what we're doing here is we're going to have this as an open house for some kids that are coming in. They're going to be able to color the ornaments and hang them on the tree themselves. So think about this from either the ornaments or something like a calendar, an advent calendar or something like that. Your kids can take this, and with even taking it completely off, you take that for me. I can use just my hand and apply this graphic up. It's as simple as that. If I want to take it back down, we're all done with it at the end of the season. Take a corner here, comes right off, no residue, nice and clean. Got a couple ornaments up here. You can see the finished product. Again, I'm Steve Jackson with Imprintables Warehouse. This is Seramark. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to everybody out there.